In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add security deposit on Airbnb. First, sign in to your Airbnb host account. If you're looking at the guest view, switch to hosting mode so you can access the tools designed for hosts. You'll usually find the hosting switch or option in the account or profile menu. Once you're in hosting, you'll see the dashboard that lets you manage properties, calendar settings, and guest communications. Next, open the listings section. This is where all of your properties live. If you manage more than one, choose the specific listing you want to edit, so the change applies only where you intend. Taking a moment to confirm you've opened the correct listing will save you from confusion later, especially if your properties have similar names or layouts. Inside the listing, look for the area labeled Policies or House Rules. Depending on your interface, these may be grouped together or appear as separate sections, but the goal is the same. You're placing clear, visible language that guests see before they book. This is the most transparent spot to communicate your expectations and the possibility of a security deposit. Now add your deposit terms in the description field. Keep it simple and specific so guests understand when and how a deposit could be requested. For example, you can write, "A security deposit may be requested in case of damages, missing items, or rule violations. Any claims will be processed through Airbnb's Resolution Center." This kind of phrasing sets expectations without sounding harsh. Feel free to adjust the tone to match your brand, but avoid complicated legal language. Plain words work best. Make sure the wording aligns with your existing house rules, especially around smoking, pets, extra guests, and checkout procedures, since these are common sources of claims. It's helpful to understand what this language does. Adding deposit terms here doesn't automatically charge guests. Instead, it informs them ahead of time that if there's an issue, you may file a claim through Airbnb's Resolution Center. That's the official channel for documenting damages, sharing photos or receipts, and requesting reimbursement. Keeping everything on platform protects both you and your guests and keeps the process consistent. When you're satisfied with the wording, click Save. That final save ensures your terms are visible to future guests, setting expectations clearly before they confirm a reservation. A quick final read-through for clarity and tone